Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of The Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's time for another unboxing. Got something for you today. I think a lot of you that live, especially in the suburbs, or have aluminum siding on your houses, you'll definitely appreciate this. And guess what I got today? Haven't had this in a long time. Best grandpa ever knife. You know, I always like to use this doing unboxing openings. Today we're unboxing a pressure washer. That's right, 13A electric pressure washer, 2050 PSI max. It's by Sunjoe. Caught a great deal on this, you guys. I ain't gonna lie to you, I got this on Amazon Prime Day. Real strong power washer, not like the regular one. This is heavy duty, 1.8 GPM max. You see it right there. Quick connect nozzles, bonus foam cannon, brass connector. We're gonna unbox this thing right now, and we're gonna show you what it's all about. Oh, look at this, you guys. You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Ideal for use of homes, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios. 3 quick nozzle, 0, 50, and 40 degree, tackle different cleaning projects. Onboard removable 38.8 fluid ounce foam cannon. You see it got foam cannon. And all that other stuff is in Spanish. So let's get this baby open. Oh yeah, you guys. This is just gonna be an unboxing video. I'm showing you what you get with it and all the items that come with it. Make sure you definitely stay tuned, because within the next 2 videos, I will show you put, you know, different foam. My wife will get some foam stuff, whatever you need to put in the canister to clean the algae off your house. And then I'm gonna show you use it, then I'm gonna give you my review. So make sure you come back for that video in about 2 videos once I get everything ready to go. But let's unbox it first and make sure we got everything we're supposed to have in here. So here we go right now. Best grandpa knife ever. Ooh, make sure I don't cut it. You know I'm famous for cutting stuff inside the box. Oh, wait a minute, I guess it would help if I went the right way with the knife. So you know I don't be going around cutting people up. Bam, let me see. Yep, okay, there we go. So now we can put this baby up in my pocket, and let's get this baby open up. So when you first open this thing up, of course, they got the little recycle thing there. Put that there. Ooh, what do I see here? Okay, what's in here? Look how it looks. So first, we got a packet full of attachments there. We got some more attachments here. I'm spreading it all out. What else we got? Next, let's see, looking at this. Oh, this is the part that goes on the front right there. So this goes on the front of it. We're gonna set that there. And what else we got? Oh, we got the actual spray gun right here. Oh yeah. So we put that there. And then I think, oh, we got enough. Yep, we got the initial holes right here. Yes, sir. So we're gonna check this out. Right here, we're gonna put that there. And I think the only thing that should be left now is the actual device. So let me see if I can get this out with one hand. If not, I'm gonna have to do some editing. Yep, let me what we got here? Oh, here's the wand. Here's the long wand that goes on the end of it. Put that right there. And of course, we've got the instruction manual right here. Here's the instruction manual. We're gonna throw that right down there. And next, I'm gonna sit you guys up, and we gotta take this out. Matter of fact, let's do it. Ooh, yeah! Look at that. Take this out. Oh, look at this big. Look, you guys, look at this big power supply right here. This is test, that's reset. chest. Look how much cord you got on this thing. Make sure everything is good. It smells like it's right out the factory. You can smell it. So let me take this off. There it is right there. There it is, you guys. Sunjoe power washer. You know I like the food with stuff. The back. Oh yeah, here's the little canister right here. Now I don't want to break nothing because you know I'm famous for just snatching. Oh, there it goes. It just pulls out. So here's where you put your solution that you want to use on whatever you're washing, whether it's the side of the house or whether it's the car, anything that goes right there. The 3 nozzles. So this is for you to decide. This is for you to decide what the 3 degrees is. 0. You can do 0 degrees. Matter of fact, let's look. Yep. On the box, we got red, yellow. These are the quick connect nozzles. So we got the 0, we got the 15. And then of course we got the 40. The different nozzles means how it sprays. See how it sprays, see how that looks? I can show them up close. Pop that off so you can see how it looks. Let me kind of give you a better angle on it. There, it sprays differently out there. So you got your different nozzles that will go on the end of this when you spray it. Like so. Got a big battery pack right here. 125 VAC, 60 Hertz, 15 amp. Instruction manual. Here. You got your wand. Let me open this baby up for you. Got your wand with a nice soft trigger. Max 16 amp, max 60 degree. That goes on there like so. And of course, oh, make sure you line up the notches. There you go. And then once you put that on there, there's your nozzle, and then those go on the end of it. See, look, it's got a locking feature too. Look, it's locked. I can't even pull the trigger. Can't even pull the trigger till I hit unlock. Now I can pull the trigger. So it's got a nice locking feature right there. Lock it, and you can't pull the trigger. The hose, of course, will go there. Here's your hose. Like say one end will go to there, like so. It'll hook up right there. Then the other end goes right over here, and you'll hook that. As you guys can see, this is where your hoses will hook up to. You see the one that says with the water hose, this goes from here to your actual water on your house, wherever your water is, and this goes to the spray gun. This will be the hose from that to the spray gun right here. All devices. You want to take the top handle bracket piece, which is this right here, and you see how you have that. You set this up like that. This goes on the top, and then what you want to do is you want to take a couple of these screws and screw it in. This piece goes right here. Around on the other side, turn this around, and you see right here is where you put 2 more screws. So you come up through there like so, and that down. Just tighten it snug. You don't have to go crazy with it. And now you got your handle, and as you can see, it is on wheels, so you'll be able to move it around. 2 screws, the high pressure hose holder. So the next thing we're going to do here, as you can see right here, this is the piece you want. You put that into here. That goes like so. And then what you want to do, you come back right here. You got 4 screws left. So what you want to do with the high pressure hose holder, you come back And that's basically it as far as the assembly. As far as the heavy duty stuff, the rest is just little. One more makes number 4. And that's that. And that's how you hook the high pressure hose assembly up to it. Next thing, you got what they call the card holder. The card holder goes right here. I've already put this one on down here. You already saw me do that. That's the wand holder when it comes down the rack here. Next thing, over here, we're gonna slide the trigger gun holder. So basically, that goes down in there, like so. The trigger gun holder. Here's the adapter that goes here. You put this here so you'll be able to put your water hose on it. So you just tighten that up, like so. That goes there. Now you can put your regular water hose right here on the front. It'll say, it had a little symbol there so you'll know. This so the next thing, I think that's pretty much it for setting it up. That's the whole setup process, and it's a done deal. Just like that. Easy peasy, no mess, no fuss. Your cord, if you got extra cord, your cord will go there. Just like that. Like that. There you go. And that's the complete setup of your Sunjoe power washer. Easy peasy, 10 minutes. You got about 20 feet on the hose. This weighs about 24 pounds. This right here will shoot a stream up to 13 feet. 13 feet. So just judge it. This goes 13 feet from the end of this. So however high it is, this is a 20 feet hose. This goes about 13 feet. So by the time you get up on the ladder a little bit, you can get top of most houses with this. These are all the pieces that should come in your kit right here. Make sure when you get it, you definitely got all the pieces that you should have. I will have a link in the description for you to get this. Hopefully it's still on sale, but if not, it still is a great deal. Great power washer. Once you buy this, you won't have to buy another power washer for 5, maybe 10 years. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click the link in the description, like, subscribe so you get notification for all my videos. Make sure you check out the next one that's coming up in the next 2 videos where I will be using it, show you how it works. See ya.